Good morning. I just went through the news calendar, and I noted there's some there's some volatility coming in tomorrow. Okay. Sure of this euro starting from this should be London 11:15 and this is Kenyan time, but we will have one early here that is from 1:30 a.m. This should be at night. This should be Asia, and that one is will affect anything that has Audi, any pair that has Audi on it. So euro, GBP also, CAD. So let's go to the chart and look for anything that has this as one of their pair, okay? Because that will be the next thing that you should do once you go through the. So let me start here with the Euro USD because I've really liked its setup here. So we jump to daily. And one thing I would like to note here is that note this gap here. Note this one. These are more recent new week opening gap here. But there's another one here. Okay. Now, if you can mark that low there, that candle there, and then this one here, that will give you 1.0325. This one I don't have it yet, but I will. Why am I telling you that? I think this one will continue on a sell, and I'm going to explain why. Or for me, rather, I would be looking for a sell. See this area of 1.4428, and the best area that I can take a partial is when you hit. Okay, there's a breaker here, but I would prefer to do partials. One below here, this low here, previous day, and the second one, then maybe if it gives me this level, that will be my last area of taking a partial. Let me drop to 4 hour and show you why I'm saying that. I like that fair value gap there at 4 hour. This one here. Okay, so if you are not always on the chart like me, because I like taking my setup from higher time frames. If you're not on the charts, you see this area here, you can place your limit order right there, because I'm sure it is going to come back that area there. Okay, it might spend some time, okay, and then you're going to do your SL around there. You will use the lot size that you're comfortable with. For me, I like to go with the minimum lot size, not the minimum, but just something that I can take at least two partials. If you do it like that, and note these are broke. This is the reef broke. Okay, that trade there is giving me a stop loss of around 7. And why am I placing it above there? Because I want to consider also previous day high if it decides to go to that area there. Let me jump to 1 hour also and see. A nice BC here. There. Now, if you don't want to use that hard time frame, you want to execute when price comes back to that level. Wait for it at 50 minutes. Here at 50 minutes. Around that area there where there is that for of a value gap there. Wait for a value gap to form on 15 minutes there. Execute on it. When it shows that it wants to go for a sell, execute on it. That's one way that I'm going to approach this one here. And I hope this is what I will do. I will take a screenshot, post it on the account, on my account, and see how it's going to behave. Okay. Already I have placed some on GBP USD. Okay. Have this ones here on GBP USD. I think we're going to have some sell in here. So at least for me, I find 4 hours is a little bit more flexible because you are able to adjust yourself when you see that you're on the wrong direction. It gives you a little bit of room to correct yourself. And here I think we have a new day opening up. If you're a bit cautious, you can wait for price to come back below this new week opening up here on the GBP and then execute from, see this GBP here, this new day opening gap here. Wait for price to come back here, and it's coming back to this level of 1.25821. Execute a sell. I don't know, I'm leaning towards a sell on that asset there. So let me pick another asset here. You say don't focus on euro. Let's do EurAud. Audi has also been having some news. Already you see it's already moving. Has been having some volatility. It's already moving. So let's see where can we wait for this trade here. Remember, we still have also tomorrow, and tomorrow is when we have a lot of euro dollar news, news affecting the euro dollar. So if it can drop to 1.6392, or also give us let's have that level there, 1.62519. So all of those are areas that you can anticipate for price to run to during that news volatility. I'm trying to look whether you have a new day opening gap or a weekly opening gap, because those are the levels that the price will gravitate towards. It is drawn to those areas a lot. Like this one, don't have. So we might have a fair value gap forming around 4 hours, and that is what you're going to use. Fair value gap or or we can also use that 1.2 639. Although that one price will have left a lot. Let's see if it gives us a fair value gap inside here. We are going to use it for a sell, or we're going to determine and see what exactly will it be willing to do during that news volatility. But I have to wait for something on 4 hour. This one I don't have anything on 4 hour. I have to wait for something to happen there on 4 hour. 4 hour is my, I don't know why I like 4 hour a lot. So if I see something on 4 hour, then you can transpose to 15 minutes and see what is happening there. Let me pick another asset here. Let's wait for something on 4 hour on this EurAud here. Then we'll see what we're going to do. Eurjpy, I see it has moved a lot. I don't know why I forgot to look at this. So it has used this. It has dropped to this new week opening gap. Might continue dropping. Maybe hit the bottom of it and the slide go to 105. You can see we came from this other new week opening gap here. Very small one. You will almost have missed it. So I did not see this one happening. Very small gap here. It was not under my watch list, so I guess it's okay. So Eurojpy, what do you have on US card here? US card we also have some volatility. You see how we are just lingering above. We are just lingering below the new day opening gap there. We've not gone above it, but we're just there. This one here. Previous day opening gap, sorry. And what if we run above there and then maybe touch 1.42? Can it offer us a sell when it does that? I'm looking at this US card. Okay, let me mark another level here I've seen might be of interest. But I like 1.42. I don't know why. If we can shoot above that, we can go above it, clean that liquid that is there. And note this already is a rejection block here on 4 hour actually. This one is a rejection block, a nice one. And you see we are playing around 75 of it. So most likely this one will shoot above that yesterday's high there. Okay. So this one you can wait for it on 50 minutes. Once you form a value gap above that new, or even in 1 hour, I can also give you a setup. New previous day high, then you can execute on it. As that high is very intact. I don't think it's going to be left intact like that. It's going to be attacked. let's just wait for this one to give us something on 4. That's a rejection block there on 4 hour. But if you were to place your if I'm to use a limit order here, I'll place it around here. There 140. Let me use something that is a little bit brighter. 1.42389. I can place a limit order there. Then I use my 1.4263 1.42630. Okay, and that will be around the top of that daily FVG there. So to be the top of this daily FVG here. That's the way I can approach that one. All I'm saying is that but I'll have to wait for it to go above this high. But if you're not going to be on a chart, you can do this. Okay, use the losses that you're okay with, something that you can take a partial, because I think it's going to come to those areas there. And our OD card has really unfolded well, almost hitting my TP there. Okay, almost hitting my TP. And I used the new day of the opening up of this week. That is where I bought this asset from. Where is it? It was somewhere here. It was only visible on 1 hour, from 1 hour, sorry. Yeah, it's a lot of back and forth here. It was around here. Where are you? Yeah, I bought it from here. That's why I'm saying new week opening up, they are very important. The one that I don't know what happened to. I was not on my chart yesterday and I forgot to execute on this Eurjpy, but also from this new week opening up there to the other new week opening up, they are very, I don't know what I would say, they are like magnet to this price, to the price. Yeah, anyway, let's focus on now what is coming. So we will look at Euro, AUD, Eurojpy, Euro USD, and GBP USD. Those are the ones we're going to focus on and see whether we are going to get something on them.